this presentation we take first topic of the syllabus of embryology, that is definition of embryology and scope of embryology. Uh, uh, on WhatsApp group I will share the photograph of syllabus of anatomy and embryology. You may go through it. I will take the topics one by one sequentially of embryology, and Kanade sir will complete the topics from anatomy. So here first you see the definition of embryology. Before this there are some things which are like to share you. What is embryology? So you all know the multicellular organisms begin their life as a single cell having potential to develop into an entire organism. From an early stage to mature stage of an organism, a number of changes takes place leading to the formation of cells or tissues by the process of differentiation and organization. So the developmental biology and embryology is the basic branch of developmental biology. In higher plants, the early stage of life is known as the embryo. An embryo is a multicellular organized body developed from unicellular zygote. It further develops into a mature plant body through the process of growth. Thus, in the life cycle of any organism, two distinct stages are observed. First is embryonic stage and second is growth stage. A mature organism possesses sexual organs which produce gametes. The process of production of gametes is known as gametogenesis. Male and female gametes fuse and produce zygote by a process known as fertilization. A zygote further develops into an embryo by a process known as embryogenesis. So, the systematic study of all the stages from the gamete stage to that of a young plantlet is known as embryology. So, this is the definition. The branch of science which deals with the study of structure and development of sexual organs, that is stamens and carpels, male gametophyte, female gametophyte, fertilization and embryogenesis is known as embryology. In case of plants, flower is the sexual organ in which androecium and gynoecium is present. Part of androecium is known as stamen and part of gynoecium is known as carpel. So the male gametophyte is developed in stamen and female gametophyte is developed in gynoecium. So here male gamete is produced in stamens and in carpels female gamete is present. Next step is fusion of male gamete with female gamete, and this process is known as fertilization, and this is done in ovule which is present in ovary, and from that ovule embryo is produced, and the stages of development of embryo from ovule is known as embryogenesis, and all these sequences or events is study of all these events is known as embryology. There is another definition also. The systematic study of all the stages from the gamete stage to that of a young plantlet is known as embryology. So the embryo is present in seed. Mature ovule is known as seed, and this embryo is present in the seed. After germination of seed, this embryo is developed into new plantlet or seedling. So the embryology is the study of all that stages from gamete to young plantlet is known as embryology, and from this seedling new plant is produced, that it produces roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, etc., etc. So the embryology is the only study, that is here two steps are important: pollination and fertilization and development of seed.